Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some tips to make your hair smoother, shiny, stronger and dandruff free. So let's get started. First, I've just washed my hair and towel dry. Here I'm using this product. This is from Wow Hair Mask. And the quantity of this product is 200 ml and the price is 575 rupees. So this is what the tub looks like, and inside you get a white thick cream. So I'm just unpacking it. I'll just show you the product from inside. So I hope you can see it has a very white thick cream. This mask is really good and the fragrance is just amazing. So I just started applying this thick cream on my scalp and on my entire hair. So I'm just starting from the root to tip. This mask is anti-dandruff. It doesn't have any paraben or mineral oil, and it has roseberry extract and tea tree essential oil, which is really good for your hair. It gives relief from dandruff. It rebalances scalp microflora, and it also helps reduce the scalp sebum, that is the natural oil. So you just have to apply it on your hair, and then you can wrap with a hot towel for 20 minutes, or you can just keep directly for 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. So this is what the final look is after washing with water, and it just makes your hair smooth, silky and keep your scalp clean and dandruff free. Trust me guys, this mask is just amazing. I've seen a lot of difference after one use. My hairs were quite dry, but after using this mask I've seen a lot of difference just after one use. So if you want to try, I'll just link it down below in the description box. You can go and buy it. So overall, if you like this video, please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and share it with your friends and family. It might be helpful for someone. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.